we are being deprived of time. On June 11, we must immediately, para hindi kami matrap. Yung danger nga dito is running out of time. Go-worry lang tayo because meron siya mga phrases na everything is subject to debate. May mga phrase yan, if ever. Ang napansin ko, when he moved the June 2, yung reading sa June 11, there was no counterpart rescheduling of the convening of the Senate as an impeachment court and the oath-taking. Dapat magkasabay yun. We have to be vigilant and then stay alert. On June 11,